Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Pound sterling price news and forecast. GBP USD Parliament set to pummel the pound. http ntvforex.com news ID 3820A1 4 minutes ago by NTV Forex team. GBP USD forecast break below 200 DMA 61.8% Fibo. To pave the way for further weakness, the GBP USD pair seesawed between tepid gains, minor losses on Friday, and consolidated its recent slump to 7-week lows. The US dollar remained depressed on the back of the deadlocked over the new US fiscal stimulus measures. The US Senate on Thursday rejected a Republican bill that would have provided around $300 billion in new coronavirus aid. Democrats voted to block the legislation on the grounds that the package was too small to tackle the scale of the economic downturn led the coronavirus pandemic. This, in turn, was seen as a key factor lending some support to the measure. However, growing fears of a hard Brexit continued undermining the British pound and kept a lid on any meaningful positive move for the measure. Given that investors remain preoccupied with the developments surrounding the Brexit saga, Friday better than expected UK manufacturing data failed to impress the GBP bulls or provide any meaningful impetus to the measure. In fact, the UK industrial production increased by 5.2% MOM in July and manufacturing production rose 6.3% MOM. Read more. GBP USD forecast. Parliament set to pummel the pound, ending the dead cat bounce. The rebels are back. Despite having a large majority in Parliament, Prime Minister Boris Johnson's victory in passing a controversial Brexit-related bill is unclear. The House of Commons will debate the Internal Markets Bill, legislation which violated the withdrawal agreement, as ministers openly admit. The PM seems to have changed his mind on allowing for a NBSP customs border on the Irish Sea, a concession that was critical for striking an accord with the EU last year. Brussels expressed anger at the move and laid down an ultimatum to London: rescind the bill by the end of September or face sanctions. Instead of proceeding to discuss future relations, Britain and the bloc are at loggerheads over the divorce deal signed nearly a year ago. Read more. GBP USD clings to recovery gains near session tops, around mid 1.2800s. The GBP USD pair built on its steady intraday positive move and refreshed daily tops, around mid 1.2800s during the early European session. The British pound witnessed some short covering move on the first day of a new trading week ahead of a crucial vote on the UK government's so-called Internal Market Bill. The legislation drew a lot of criticism and fueled market fears that the UK will crash out of the European Union at the end of the transition period. Read more. GBP USD overview. Today last price 1.2864, today daily change 0.0068, today daily change percent 0.53, today daily open 1.2796, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.3157, daily SMA 50 1.2965, daily SMA 100 1.2694, daily SMA 200 1.2737, NBSP levels. Previous daily high 1.2866, previous daily low 1.2763, previous weekly high 1.3279, previous weekly low 1.2763, previous monthly high 1.3396, previous monthly low 1.2982, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.2802, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.2826, daily pivot point S1 1.275, daily pivot point S2 1.2705. Daily pivot point S3 1.2647, daily pivot point R1 1.2853, daily pivot point R2 1.2911, daily pivot point R3 1.2957. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.